Lemon.io is a platform that connects businesses with skilled freelance developers and programmers from all over the world. It was established in 2016 and has since grown to become a popular marketplace for finding top-notch talent in the tech industry. To make money online with Lemon.io in 2024 as a beginner, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Research and choose your niche. Identify a programming language or tech skill you're proficient in. This could be web development, mobile app development, machine learning, data analysis, or any other in-demand skill. 2. Enhance your skills. If you're not already an expert in your chosen field, invest time in learning and improving your skills. You can use online resources like Coursera, Udemy, or free tutorials on platforms like YouTube and GitHub. 3. Create a strong portfolio. Showcase your previous work, projects, and accomplishments to demonstrate your skills and expertise. This will help you stand out from other applicants and increase your chances of getting hired. 4. Sign up on Lemon.io. Create an account on their website and complete your profile, including your personal information, work experience, skills, and portfolio. 5. Apply for jobs. Browse through the available job listings on Lemon.io and apply for positions that match your skills and experience. Be sure to tailor your application to each job posting, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. 6. Prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your experience, skills, and previous projects during the interview process. This may include both video calls and technical tests. 7. Negotiate rates and terms. Once you receive an offer, negotiate your hourly rate or project fee, ensuring it's competitive and fair for both you and the client. Discuss project duration, deliverables, and payment terms. 8. Deliver quality work. Once you start working on a project, maintain open communication with your client, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. This will help you build a positive reputation and increase your chances of receiving more job offers in the future. 9. Request and manage feedback. Encourage clients to leave feedback on your Lemon.io profile after completing a project. This will help showcase your skills and expertise to potential future clients. 10. Network and market yourself. Connect with other professionals on Lemon.io and other platforms like LinkedIn to expand your network. Share your portfolio and achievements on social media to attract potential clients. By following these steps, you can successfully make money online with Lemon.io in 2024 as a beginner. Remember to always provide excellent service, maintain a professional attitude, and continuously improve your skills to stay competitive in the market.